Yo, what up, Big Z? Nanya Benny, my guy. How you feeling? How you feeling, bro? What's good, man? What's good? Let's get the music going. I'm looking at RCat right now. Bro. All right, let's do this. All right. Microsoft, I mean, everyone's reporting earnings today, bro. Literally everyone's reporting earnings today. So what's the vibe? And then also, guys, I was watching HTCO. Do you remember the fucking guy who kept YouTube? He'll probably be back today, but come on, man. What are we talking about? Good morning, though, guys. Good morning. GM. Good morning. Printing 3K off a tax call, STX. I'll take a look. I've got 3 minutes before I place a trade. STX. Mad, I ain't mad. Oh, Seagate. I remember you told me about this, bruh. You were talking about this yesterday on stream. Made 3K. What, I mean, did you play short? Did you play like the short, like long, like short time frame on this? Did you swing this overnight? Or what? Yo, what up, Steve? Yo, Magic. Anamo. What up, guys? Anamo, I gotta get back on your, you DM me on Instagram a lot of fucking, like, trading knowledge shit that I gotta get back on. So I'll talk to you. I'll chop it up. We'll figure out what the bot needs. But good morning. Good morning. It's like raining fucking tech earnings today. So we're gonna get active, man. We're gonna get active. If you're here, thank you. Good morning. But with that being said, we gotta lock in, bro. You guys know what time it is. We're going to start off the morning with the same thing we always do. And then we'll kind of, get a little freaky on these earnings reports. Bro, I'm thinking I'd place a trade on every company that's reporting earnings today. It's all going to be insane options interest. And I feel like I'd be missing the bag. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go while I put this prompt in. So I'm asking Tradealgo right now. I'm asking it for a trade, and I'm kind of explaining another strategy that I'll do later on the stream. But to focus on what we're doing right now, I'm going to grab a trade from Tradealgo, and I'm going to place this in my brokerage, and then this kind of gives me, the runway of what we're doing. So I'm asking Tradealgo. I'm saying I'd like an in-the-money options trade to make right now. How well can you guys see my screen here? I need to make this a little smaller, yeah. All right, I'm saying I'd like an in-the-money options trade to make right now. Give me the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration. I don't care what company it is. I don't want an in-depth analysis about the trade. Bro, just give me the exact play to make on an option based on your best analysis and recommendation. Yo, what up, Tyson? What up, 19? What's up, guys? What's up? Let's lock in. This is simple. But after I do this, I'm going to give you guys my earning strategy that I literally heard from this guy who was in my stream one night. He was like, dude, why don't you place options with just with a stop loss at break even, and if you lose on fees, you don't lose at all, and then why, like, you can place like 20 options trades at a time. So it doesn't sound like as smart as it actually is. But what if I did that on Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, and whoever else is reporting earnings today? What if I did that strategy? I just placed a short-term call option with this week's Friday expiration on all of them with a stop loss at break even. Now what's for sure going to happen is I will get stopped out of every trade because they're going to be swing trades overnight. All right, so I got a long call on SPY. That's what TradeGPT just gave me. Tradealgo just gave me a long call on SPY. $700 strike price, May 15th. At $18, these are $2,000 a trade. We got a 211 NVDA right now, and everything is going up. INTC is crushing, bro. This is fucking insane. What happened to this stock, bro? Like, why is Intel just the shit? Might be a good hold. Honestly, it might be a good hold. I might throw 10 or so into Intel. But let's go SPY really quick and see kind of what our levels are. It doesn't look super promising. You know what I mean? Look at this. This doesn't look good at all. This thing's going down. Anyone with a fucking brain could see that this is going down. Right, there's nothing that's pointing that the stock is going to go up right now, right? I mean, how tight is this trade going to be? I'm not going to do a fucking May 15th expiration that I'm not going to swing trade, bro. If I'm going to day trade, let's do a tight options trade, bro. You know what I mean? I'm just going to say I want a day trade. I want a day trade, not a swing trade. Because I'm going to explain the logic here. Look, if the SPY is going down right now, it's okay if I take a May 15th, excuse me. It's okay if I take a May 15th expiration. It's okay if I take a May 15th expiration, but it's like, it's just too much of a long-term game. I'm not really in the mood to play a 2-week-long swing trade right now, bro. If the shit is moving right now, then let's fucking grab a contract that expires either today or Friday. That's my mindset. Hims is a good buy right now, I think. Yo, what up, Hardy? Buy Bitcoin. Damn, INTC going crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna do the push-ups at the end. Had recovered, but then yesterday and today happened. Yo, thank you, Gomer. Thank you, Gomer. Yeah, it's just I'm not gonna fill anything yet. 7-Eleven. Do we just take a put out of? Nah, bro. We're gonna grab a call. Fuck it. Let's do a day trade, and then first of May. Okay, yeah. So TradeGPT, long put intraday. So I asked for a day trade, and TradeGPT completely changed the sentiment, which is fucking why I love Tradealgo so much, bro. Let's go. Let's break this down. I got a $95 INTC. Whoa, what? Intel put, bro. Nothing looks real. All right, this is what are these? What is the cost of these? These are $5.30. All right, I'll short Intel on a short-term level. I'll short it for like an hour, bro. I'm gonna short Intel for literally an hour. We're gonna see what happens, man. Is this a bad trade? Guys, it's May 1st expiration. I don't think this is bad. This fucking thing's ripping. What do we got? May 1st, put at $95, coming in at $5.30. Yeah, $5.15 at a bid. I could probably get in for less than $5 right now. I'm not doing a lot, bro. I'm doing 45.50. So 4,550 on this. We're filled. That was quick. Filled at $4.60. So we filled way cheaper than what TradeGPT told us to do. But the question is, TradeGPT told us to do this like 2 minutes ago. Is the fucking price of the option moving that much where it's just dropping, like free falling? Hey. All right, here we go. We're filled. We're filled. The more that Intel drops, the more money in my pocket. So the more that line goes, okay, I did $95 puts, 10 contracts at $4.60. Just filled these right now at 11:05. Oh, so much overnight. Okay. This is my trade. 11:05, 429. I'm in these INTC $95 puts. I'm gonna break this down right now, bro. We might not be in here for very long at all. Let me get this on my P&L tracker so you guys can see real time what's up. Yeah. I'm not up that much. The trade's barely moved, bro. I'm up $30. So I refilled at $4.60. Like I showed you, these are at $4.63. 4.63. Only up $30. It's a great start. Let's go, scroller. Spicy trade. I don't need much, bro. I just need some honest work. We got a put. We got a put on INTC, bro. An INTC put. What up, scroller? All right, INTC puts, we're locked. Now with that being said, I don't really want to leave this page right now, bro. But let me draw my entry here for you guys. So this line right here is entry. We go here. Just really simply put. the longer this trade stay, like the line, like the fucking color, we want a lot of red and we want it to stay below this orange line to make it really simple, like Neanderthal level trading. And then my take profit, 95.87. We're at 92.89. I'm not looking for a lot, bro. I'm looking for a real smooth situation here. I'm looking for a real smooth situation. If we can get down to 91.49, it's at 92.97 right now. If we can get down to if we can get down to 91.49, curtains, bro. Curtains, brother. Curtains. That's what we want. I'm honest about you being in Israel. You doing all right today? Yeah, we're doing all right today. Okay, yeah, this is money bag Jones. This is money bag Jones. I'm up 80 bucks right now. These are 468. 468 on these guys. So up 80 bucks. We're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, so how am I gonna play the fucking 11 companies that are reporting earnings today? I'm gonna show you guys. Or what's up, Hardy? Am I in Israel? I'm not in Israel right now, bro. Dude, what a fucking money trade, bro. This is great. I should have done 10 grand on this. All right, I just hit 100 ball. In profit, we're gonna go 470. $470. Nobody likes getting a freaking call from a customer. Oh, jeez. Nanya, Vinny. Okay. You tracked my, you didn't track anything, bro. If you tracked my PGT, I'm in New York. Translate the comment. I don't know what the comment is. Yeah. Dude, this is gonna be an awesome trade. So let's see what the vibe is. So I just placed these INTCs and we're getting some serious motion. Shout out to Tradealgo, man. Genuinely, bro. All right, let's go again. I need to keep this in my view though, because this could switch any second. I told you I took a May 1st expiration. All right, so we have a very cool thing that we can do right now for this earnings report that I'm gonna trade right now. These earnings reports I'm gonna trade right now, and it's the coolest thing is because I set up this agent arena, right? So I'll kind of break this down for people who don't know what this is. I set this agent arena up to basically test degenerate strategies with degenerate brains using Tradealgo's data. Okay, so who's doing the best right now using Tradealgo's data? It's the degen guy. And then right after, it's the veteran, the guy who actually knows what he's doing. So what's the degen saying to Tradealgo to make $3,700 in profit? Bro, I'm going to show you right now. It's fucking crazy. He's asking the same thing every day. He's saying, what's going to blow up today? Tesla earnings, NVIDIA move, or AMD catalyst. And then he goes and says, I need the ticker symbol with the highest gamma risk right now. Something that could go for 5K. So I'm not gonna say I don't need the gamma risk part of this prompt, but I'm gonna take the data I learned from this agent using TradeGPT, and I'm gonna literally use TradeGPT. I'm gonna like kind of formulate this for my prompt with earnings. So here's we go. Is this the dude? It's the dude who geeks out on stream. Let me end, dude. It's nasty out here. He's in New York, outside his house. If you're in New York, wouldn't we be hearing constant sirens? That's like honestly the crazy observation. Okay, so I'm taking this prompt. What's gonna blow up today? Tesla earnings, NVIDIA move, and AMD catalyst. I'm gonna take off this part. And then something can go 5x at the end of the day. God, dude, this is really toxic. I'm ruining trading. Like, actually. Okay. But we got motion on INTC. Come on, baby. We're up 300. What do we got? We got 490s, bro. 490 on INTC. What a beautiful trade, bro. No one could have seen this. No one could have seen this data like Tradealgo, bro. All right, look. Okay. Bro, are you serious right now? This is insane. All right. Okay, back to my bag. Okay, what's gonna blow up today? Tesla earnings, NVDA move, or AMD catalyst. I'm literally gonna switch this. I'm gonna just say we have what's reporting today? Microsoft, Amzn, Amazon. What's reporting? Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, and Google. Microsoft, Amazon, and Goog are all king today. Okay, so I'm saying Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, and Google are all reporting today. Something that can 5x or 0 by the end of the week. Cheapest out of the money options available. Current prices, please. All right, let's see what this does, and then we'll go and win play ball. Should I get out of INTC right now? Yeah, let's get out. Let's get out, bro. Man, I really want to. Yo, I should ask Tradealgo what to do here. I shouldn't make the decision myself, but I'll wait for this candle to close. Then we'll grab our 300 on AMD. Use TradeGPT, make this 5 minutes ago. It's clearly not a scam. On the Intel chart, any upward movement. Why is he typing into a computer? Why am I typing into a computer? I have no idea, actually. Why am I typing into a computer? Is it like a, I don't know, bro. That's a crazy freaking question. Okay, man. All right. On the highway. You guys know those trades that make you grit your teeth? This is one of those. I don't know what to do on. Bro, Tradealgo delivered. The point of Tradealgo was to give me the data on this trade. Now it's me deciding, hey, am I gonna take this and just take it and trade and be a regular investor, or do I become a degenerate? I'm getting out. Let's get out. I'm not up 750. We're still at 490, 488. Oh, bro. It's still going down. I'm not closed yet. I would fill at 488 right now. I bought these for 460. I'd fill at 488 right now. Cash out now, 750. No. Take it now, dude. Take profit, degenerate. Should I degen? Bro, it's still going down. No. We're good. We're good, baby. My thing is data. I'm using Tradealgo. You're so supposed to sit on the keyboard and fart into it. Yeah. Like, what kind of question is that? Yo, man. Hey, bro. Insane. This is insanity. What a beautiful trade. Man, I should have put 10,000 on this, bro. Take it now, dude. Dean, I'm going on a tirade. All right, let's go. Yeah, I'm up 430, bro. These are at 503 right now, bro. 503. The adjustment here was insane. All right, we're gone. Peace. I'm taking 430. Yeah, peace. Jeez, I'm out. W's. That's it. That's a close trade, boys. That's a close trade. We closed here. I closed right at the top of this red candle. We realized at 491. So that was a 491. A little bit less, but that's fine. Dubs, boys. Dubs. Great work. Insanity. That was freaking amazing. W's, bro. W's. Let's go, man. Let's go. Easy work. All right. We're chipping away. Next task is to tackle the massive $1 trillion worth of earnings reports you have. You're gonna buy my AirPod Pros right now, right? Yeah, guys, that was awesome. That's exactly why I do it. No heart palpitations. Dad, can we eat good tonight? What's up, Professor Oak? My guy. It's good to see you again, man. Alex Pascal, what's up, bro? What's up? Dude, that was amazing. That was amazing. We got out at the perfect time. Shout out to Tradealgo, shout out to TradeGPT, all that. But with that being said, we got data to scan, bro. We got data to look at, bro, because we got earnings today. So let's see what let's see what's going on. So I said Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, and Google are all reporting today. Something that could go 5x or go to 0 by the end of the week. Cheapest, I'm gonna start geeking. Cheapest out of the money options available. Current prices, please. Now, the way I formulated this prompt is I took my agent that's using TradeGPT in the most successful way. I have 9 different agents using TradeGPT. I took the one that's using it in the most successful way that's up $1,300 on the week right now, and I'm using his prompts, right? So it's gone beyond just the prompt pack, bro. It's like now there's agents that are pulling and having these data pools of successful and unsuccessful trades that I can just reference right away based on the certain time of the day. So like the more times and data we gather, the better it gets. And that's like the whole idea here. I got to study for exam. Say hi to lead loader. Yo, Alex. All right. Microsoft long call 6th of May at 12:45. Okay, so let's do some calculations here. So I take 1245. That's $1,200. So 1,200 plus these 800 on Amazon. I'm in for 2,000 on these. Meta, another $2,000. Okay, so I'd be in 4,000 if I took all these earnings reports trades. Google, this would be another 1,400. So I'm at $5,500. And then Google 1,265. So that I would literally be. No. Yeah, that's valid. So I would put around $5,000 on trades today if I played all of these earnings reports. Now the question is, what if it just doesn't work out and I lose $5,000? That'd be terrible. But the other thing is bro, what if I just place all 3 of these options trades for tomorrow, right? I'm not worried about what they do today. What if I place all 4 of these options trades and then I literally put stop losses on every trade at break even? So that way, look, because that way, what if only one of them rips, one of them destroys earnings and absolutely crushes? What about all the other ones? See my ad on YouTube? Hell yeah. When I turn 18, I'm probably just going to do the trades alongside you. You got a pretty good success rate. Is that valid, bro? Is that strategy that I just told you guys, is that valid? I rip all 3 of these. I put this $5,000. I put the $5,000 on all of the trades, and I just put stop losses at break even. I think that's a good play. The problem is with earnings volatility, I would get stopped out. Like they would drop the fucking stock and hit my stop loss. You know what I mean? It's a game time decision. It's valid. I made 1,200 this morning. All right. Bro. Nanya Binny, but bro. Then when should I place the trade? Should I place it right now and do it? What's worse, loss than I just pay fees on the trade? You know what I mean? What's worse, loss than ask your to give 10 to 15 points wide short put spreads in those same companies with at least 35% of the width spread in premium. Okay, sure. I'll try this right now. I'm going to come back to this prompt though. Yo, also guys, sign up for the signal. I'll just see what happens. Give some 10 to 15 points wide short put spreads in those same companies. Oh my God, Matt, I didn't even read your fucking thing. Hold on. I'm going back to earnings. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so then I go here, give 10, yeah. I take all of them and report back. And I'll take all of them and report back. Wait. Don't take, bro, find your own trades with TradeGPT, bro. Actually, because you're gonna like. I don't think I should be a beacon for trades, man. I don't do financial advice. Plus 10% is the bottom line. Yeah, that'd be the only thing is the fees. I've lost a lot of money though, not on fees. Right, so I mean, it would be a treat to only pay fees on trades. I can share this chat with you if you want, bro, Gappers, and you can do it, father. I don't need to eat tonight. Okay, so after I put in Gapper's query, this is what we got. So I said, give some 10 to 15 point wide push heads. Nice ask, Paul. Love flipping from lot alongs to fact credit spreads along the same lines. You're fine with near team expiries. So Microsoft best fit for our Microsoft put buddy. Spread is a 420 put long, 410 put, 10 wide. Okay, so Gappers, like, what's the methodology here? Am I just ripping these? Would I just rip these trades? Like, I would just take the 420 put, but what expiration would I take when I do trades like this? Oh, here we go. We got the expiration. So the first strike price is you sell a put at $420, 15th of May. How did it for the month of April? We did all right. We did all right, Leo. We're out of intel. All right. I'm going to place these trades right now. Let's do this. And then, obviously, like, my transparency is going to bite me in the ass here. My transparency is going to bite me in the ass here. Now I'm going to explain why. Because I'm going to display every single trade that I take right now on my trade tracker, which you guys see on screen. However, I want to, like, be real. If you guys are seeing and these trades are at a loss, you can't call me ass. You can't say, yo, he's the worst trader. Because this is what the position you're going to say. Short put trades are a bullish strat. Yeah, okay, great. Then we're doing calls on everything. All right. Fuck it, man. I'm starting with Microsoft. So this is 6th of May. All right, so Microsoft 6th of May. We're going to start here. Okay, so Microsoft 6th of May, 12:45, long call. 6th of May, 4:35, long call. At 11:95. Just gotta accept it, yeah. But I don't know, but Robinhood lets me. That's hilarious. Okay, you know what? I'm doing one contract of Microsoft. We filled at $12, which is 45 cents cheaper than what Tradealgo told us to do at. And next trade is Amazon. So I'll put this up. Let me just continuously upload my... This is gonna be so much to manage, bro. I mean, like, this isn't usually what I'm used to, but we gotta try new strategies. All right, Microsoft, I'm filled. 4:35, 6th of May. We did one contract. We've got in for $12. Today, April 29th, 2026, at 11:25 a.m. Eastern Standard. And then next is Amazon. So we got Amazon long call. This is not that expensive. This is $8.40. Okay, Amazon. Let's go Amazon. Amazon. 840, 270, 6 of May. 6 of May. 270. 270. These are coming in at 750. I'll do one contract of each of these, bro. I'm not doing all of them. We're just testing shit. We're just testing shit. Okay, we filled right under $8 on Amazon. I'll show you guys here in a second. And then I'm down on both of them right now. I'm down $20 on both of them. Come on, I'm gonna get you guys my fills right now. Give me a second. Okay, we filled Amazon. Okay, Amazon's filled. This is Amazon. 785, so right below $8. One contract, 270. Strike, right, for the 6th of May. One contract at 785 with a April 29th entry. Okay, so I just did it right now. There's no, like... yeah, of course, bro. I'm selling the 420 so I can buy the 410 on Microsoft. We got Meta now. Meta 675 strike. Meta 675 strike. Oh, bro, this is making me nauseous. 675 strike. These are $24, bro. 675 strike, and then 4th of May. 675. These are 23.15. Okay, so this is another 2,300. I don't know, man. I don't know, bro. Like, I actually don't know, bro. 675. 4th of May. These are 24. Literally 24 fucking 70. All right, we filled 24.70 right on the dot. One contract of Meta. Ugh. All right. I don't know if I should stop here. I don't think I should. I don't think I should stop right now, bro. I think I should keep going. All right, bro. So here's my fucking tradesman. Meta 675, 4th of May, one contract. I filled at 24.70, April 29th, 2026 at 11:28 a.m. Did this one. So I'm doing all of these literally right now as we speak. I'm loading up. FOMC gonna be crazy. Microsoft rarely goes up on earnings. They've been kind of pushing a little bit, and then the last one is Google. This is like the cherry on top. 1405. Yeah, watch me hit all of these, bro. Watch me hit all of these trades. Goog. And then remember, my stop loss is at break even, so I'm trading like insanely irresponsibly. But like once I go and set stop losses here, we're gonna calculate stop losses here in a second, and we'll go and do it. So stop loss 14. Yeah. So TradeGPT is telling me to put a stop loss at $0, bro. It knows that I'm gambling. All right, what do you got? 345, 8th of May for Alphabet. 8th of May, 345. 345, 8th of May, 345, 345, 345, 345. Here we are. 13. Yeah, I'm gonna get in cheaper. I'm gonna get in right at 13.50. All right, man. We just played the game, bro. We just played the game. I'm gonna upload all these, but like, I don't think I've ever had 4 trades at the same time on my trade tracker. All right, yeah, we're playing ball, man. That's literally fucking that's elite ball knowledge. This is Google 345, 8th of May call, right? We bought one contract at 13.55. Today we did all of these trades here in the last 5 minutes. So let's upload, man. Yeah, okay, remember, guys, my position sizes will be down, and you guys are allowed to criticize and say whatever you want, but as haters start to roll into the stream, they are going to say shit. Missing entry price. Entry on Google was 13.55. All right, Google's up. Next one is Meta. Put Meta up. All right, we're in Meta. And next is Amazon. So Amazon's here, 785. Amazon, and then Microsoft is the last one here at 435 strike. All right, sorry I haven't looked at the chat in a second. I'm going and being a responsible trader. All right. I mean, brother, what more do you want, man? What more do you want? What more do you want? I've got four riding now. What more could you want? What more could you want? Tell me. Actually. You know what I mean? Like what more could you want, bro? Did you not learn your fast? I thought you said you won't trade this anymore. Man, throw the sink at my little day trade. Man, had to throw the sink at my little day trade, but I made it go green. Were you averaging in? FOMC, it's different. Yeah, it's earnings. It's not. You passed being a responsible trader a little while ago. I hope he wins. This looks like a good set of trades. Hopefully it pays off more. I got 5K in line. Yeah, it's really not that much money. But yeah, man, that's like, what more could you want, bro? What more? Like, yeah, like if there's an itch, this scratched it. So let's see. I mean, bro, what good does it do me to follow any of these? What good does it do me to follow charts on any of these, bro? I can just look at the S&P 500. It's gonna get messy. I gotta get into another short put spreads. You're gonna love it. Yeah, bro, I would love to do short put spreads. Let's look at charts and diagonals. I mean, bro, here, I'm gonna go chart view on Tradealgo. Chart view, chart grid. Okay, we got Microsoft. We have Google. Amazon. And we have Meta. Google, Microsoft, Meta. Google, yeah, and Meta. I mean, all of these look awesome, guys. Microsoft, Amazon, and we have Meta. Dude, I might even just fuck myself over and just wait till they're each at a profit and close out. I haven't done the stop loss thing yet because I think it defies the logic of the fucking game. Difference between futures and options. Yeah, I think we did, bro. All of them are kind of going up right now except for Meta. Everything's going up except for Meta right now. And it drove off a cliff, so yeah, DCA still made a little hundo. There you go, bro. That's what it comes down to. Yeah, we're playing earnings today, bro. We're playing earnings. This is like difference between futures and options. Can someone explain the difference between futures and options? I wouldn't be able to tell you confidently. Wow, most trades you've seen you take at once. Yeah, we're kind of balls deep right now, bro. We have earnings reports on all these companies today. I thought, what the heck? Let's give this a shot, man. But nah, bro. I had arguably the cleanest put on AMD, bro. I literally I didn't do anything. Tradealgo told me to buy AMD puts right here, and I sold them right here, and it was a great start to my morning. And then I decided to put $5,000 across companies that are reporting earnings today. Options are insurance policies. Well, for you, they are gappers. For me, it's just a method of, hey, let me get in on the momentum. No, because options in itself are awesome. You're reserving the right to buy shares of a company at a certain price. That's what it is at the end of the day. It's like, it's a contract. You have the right to buy shares at the strike price you bought options on, and you pay the premium to reserve that bet, right? But in totality, it makes a lot of sense and it's awesome. But when you put this in the hands of the retail trader, the beginner trader, I'm pointing at myself, it gets a little bit dangerous, right? And then you start streaming, and now you have $5,000 on options trades. You don't even know what's going Let me put you guys on though. If you guys are ever hungry, go peanut butter, bacon, and honey on a sandwich. Not even kidding. Peanut butter, bacon, and honey on a sandwich. Options are right, but not the obligation to buy or sell. Futures are the obligation to buy or sell. Okay, William. So what's the difference between a right and an obligation? Because you have the right to sell an option. Oh, but you have to sell a futures trade. That makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. I haven't traded futures. I know you can do it on Webull. That's the mechanics of them, but they are insurance. Gabbers, how often are you using trading like I trade? Like, when's the last time you bought an options trade and just sold it? You know what I mean? Like, no gimmicky underlying thing or selling the shit. Like, no, like, slop, investor slop. Oh, bro, we're cooking right now. Dude, I should just get money, bro. Actually, most confusing ever. Yeah, forget about it, bro. Think about it like this. If you have an M&H stand on flat peanut butter, granola, honey, banana on flatbread is goated, crunchy, soft, sweet. What about the bacon? You got to throw bacon on there, Steven. I know it sounds crazy, but put bacon on that thing. Put bacon on that thing. Dude, everything's pretty volatile right now. We got actual movement. We're not necessarily getting into chop. We got like actual motion on all of these big tech companies right now. So I'm excited to see what Tradealgo can do. Companies, hedge funds can use options as insurance. I buy premium here and there, but I'm more of a premium seller. Yeah, Gappers, because your net worth is over 8 figures, I'm guessing. I mean, I'm not going to dox you, right? But that'd be my guess. 7 at least, 6 for sure. But I couldn't give a strategy like that to the guy who's in my stream asking what to do with $40. You know what I mean? So I try to make this stream relevant for everybody, and this is kind of the strategy that I've landed on. It's just like options slop trades, but it works, bro, because the tech is so good. I see you up as usual. Thank you, Square Points. Yeah, we're doing all right today. We got I've never placed this many trades on stream before. I've never placed this many trades on stream before. It's like electrical code, should or shall. Is that real? Is there a difference between those words? Oh, shall is like you have to, or you're going to, and should is like there's the possibility that you won't. Let me move this for you guys just for right now. Oh. Yeah, I need to get a vertical stream, bro, because this is going to get messy. Especially when I usually don't have this many trades, right? But, I have $2.50. What should I do? Dude, I don't even know if you can get anything on the McDonald's menu with that much money. If you have $2.50, go to the dollar store, bro. Milkshake. Well, yeah, the milkshake is you're going to pay $4.60. For a milkshake in New York. You're going to pay literally $4.60. That's why I said if you have $5, go get a milkshake. But if you have $2.50, how much is 2 apple pies at McDonald's? Is it still $1.50 for 2? You get the combo for 2? Don't get the apple. Go get 2 strawberry cream pies. That's why they're called call options. You have the option to sell, right? So when I ask Tradealgo, I say, give me an option. Yeah. So this is what I'm asking. Today is there FOMC today? Black coffee. I work at McDonald's. You can get a water bottle. Do you actually work at McDonald's, Hardy? One of our fantasy football punishments ideas was one of the loser of fantasy football has to apply to McDonald's and work 1 full shift at McDonald's. Bro, I honestly kind of wanted it to be me if that was the punishment. And I feel like I would low-key lock in. Like, I would take it serious. Like, if I worked at McDonald's for 1 day, I'd low-key take it serious. Like, I would be like really cooking shit. Or just, like, making sure the drive-thru's moving. I'd be like, yo, get the line, like make sure these cars are going through. Lunch rush is coming. I would lock in. I would lock in. If I actually worked at McDonald's, I'd lock in. I'd probably arguably be better than the guy who's been there. I would arguably be better than the guy who's been there for 10 years with no motivation. Right? I remember, like, dude, I get so snappy with fast food workers. I'm like, bro, get off your ass and fucking get the shit done. That's how I would be, for sure. But I'm not, thank God. I mean, with the way Microsoft's moving right now, you never know what can happen, bro. How do we get AI to make these burgers? No, I would be like, I don't even know. Hopefully I would make friends, you know? Hopefully I'd make friends, but it wouldn't, the point of, if I worked a shift at McDonald's, it wouldn't be to make friends, bro. Hopefully, you know, it happens, right? But I didn't come here to make friends, bro. I came here to show you, I came here to work hard, bro. I don't know how it works here, but I'm here to work hard. And I would tell my manager my first shift at McDonald's, I say, I will give my life for this shit. I swear to God, I will die right here in this kitchen, then I'd be gone the next day. But like for the 8 or the 6, you put me on McDonald's for a 6-hour shift, for that whole 6, bro, yeah, I would give my heart and soul for that organization. And then as soon as it's over, yeah, I'd lock out. I would. Have I ever worked food? No, I've never. What number do I call to put in a long trade? Hey, hey, can those push-ups guy? We got 27 cooking right now. He started recently. Nice, bro. Nice. I hope that anyone here, bro, Hardy, I hope that while you're at your McDonald's job, you're actually working hard, bro. It's tough, brother. No, I've never worked food. I would grind, bro. I'm a grinder. I'd figure it out. If I was working at Panda Express, it would be the same thing. I've seen some retards. Working at fucking fast food places, bro. You don't have to be a fucking genius, man. I did a solid 10 yesterday, bro. I busted 60 push-ups out, bro. Do I trade full-time? No, I don't. I don't trade full-time. What am I trading? I got 4 different options trades. Yeah, yeah, bro, Hardy, work hard, bro. Show up, man. Put on that fucking McDonald's polo and sling. Have a smile on your face. And I promise you, it'll take you real far. How's BBAI? Big Bear? It's not a decent one. I haven't talked about Big Bear in a minute. That is Big Bear AI. I might sound daft, but yeah, Big Bear AI. Big Bear, look at these guys. What are these guys up to? What has Big Bear AI been doing? Yeah, dude, no thank you, bro. What are we talking about? Who are these guys again? This is crazy work on this chart on a 1 hour. Big Bear, a provider of mission-ready artificial intelligence. Technology originally founded to serve defense and national security mission customers. Not even on some lazy shit, bro. I'm telling you right now, it doesn't but put me in that position, bro, and I would work hard. And I would smile. And I would back to you younger ones, work hard while you're young. You don't have to work at McDonald's when you're old. Facts, bro. Facts. Facts, Gappers. Facts. Hey, Gappers, would you if someone asked you if you would buy Bitcoin right now, like buy more Bitcoin right now, would you do it? Would you buy more Bitcoin right now if someone asked you if they should buy it? I know that's I hate when people ask me questions like that, but I am curious. Gapper knows what's up. Yeah, Gapper does know what's up, bro. That's a dog right there. That's a big dog. No. Are you talking about the Bitcoin thing, Donnie Vinny? I've met some pretty fucking serious crypto millionaires. No, I told everyone 56 to 59K is the entry. I'm happy you don't have to just respect your restaurant workers because they are some of the hardest working people. I'm happy you don't have to just respect because they are some of the hardest working people. Facts. I mean, bro, like, but what is hard work, bro? Like, I'm not even kidding. I could go shovel wood chips all day and I'm working hard, but it's just not conclusive, right? I mean, I'm not gonna blow smoke up anybody's ass, but like for like a trader, bro, is hard. It's very mentally draining and it tests your emotions every single day. I'm not a trader, but like. Would you rather like you have to choose your hard, bro? You have to understand you can choose your hard. It's all about the time you put into things. Told my parents and friends to buy around $500 back in 2015. They didn't listen. Damn, you got a $500 BTC, bro. They don't listen to you when price is low. They don't listen. They don't listen to you when it's high, but buy anyway. Yeah, yeah. They just never listen, bro. I believe you. No, Gappers is different, bro. Gappers is different. I mean, there's really good traders in here. Steven Davis trades. Dude is a good ass trader. Zebra Defender is a really good trader. He's my mod. Both of my mods are fucking really smart in financial markets. And I've learned arguably more from just like the undertone of experience they have when they comment like an observation about my trade. I've learned from that kind of stuff. So it's good. I'm in a city club. I'm a concierge bookkeeper and sometimes maintenance. Damn. You're in Salt Lake City, bro. You're in Salt Lake City. People always schedule they can play when they can because now price is up. Yeah, no, that's exactly what happens. You're like getting fucked by Ashley. Is what I like to call it. It's like your first ex, bro. You have this perception of things because your first ex-girlfriend broke your heart and you think it's always going to be the same way. I did Gappers, not 2015, then buy it back. I did 2 Gappers 2015, then buy back at 50K SMH. Yeah, high club. Well, I mean, in anyone's defense, bro, if you buy something for $500 and it goes up to $30,000, you did the fucking thing. You did what you were supposed to do. I want to know what's the hard work. Plowing land and planting 20 raspberry bushes in one day. It's almost evening and nobody wants to work with me on my farm. Yeah, Zebra, I'll let you handle the farm stuff. If you need help, bro, I'll help you. I'll come and help on a farm. Manual labor is great, bro. Yo, so Big Bear. What's going on here, guys? Are we trading Big Bear AI? Am I adding another trade to my repertoire? Damn, Plantington IRL. Steven's trying to buy a farm right now. What's like ideal anchor size for like somebody trying to start a homestead? Like how many anchors do you need to where a family of 20 people, or no, let's call it 50 people. How much anchors do you need to feed 50 people all year round, fully self-sufficient? I was working at Willis Towers Watson as a senior network engineer. I remember the day it went to 17K. My boss was being a dick. I looked at the chart. I looked at him, and I said, bye, I'm out. That is fucking awesome, bro. On Square IPO? Interesting. What's the company? I haven't heard this. 20 acres, 10 anchors. Acre. Anchors. Okay, yeah, you're right. My bad. Acre. It's on the New York Stock Exchange. 20 acres minimum for 30 people, for 50 people. Closed end fund. Oh, yo, my boy, do you trade closed end funds? Bro, closed end funds are sick. I've been meaning to get into closed end funds, like, because my father-in-law, the dude my mom just married, or she just got engaged to, bro, is like, he laughed at Tradealgo when I showed it to him. He's like, bro, I don't need this shit. And he only trades closed end funds, and he only trades 1 month out of the entire year. And he crushes it. He only trades oil closed end funds or some sort of like something closed end fund in January. That's it. He only trades 1 month of the entire year, and then he's done. And that's like what investing should be, bro. Hi, I'm from Korea. Can you please analyze Palantir Tech? Is there any chance that will rise up? Thanks. Sorry, brother. I don't help Koreans. I'm just kidding, bro. Palantir, PLTR. I'm just telling you if it's gonna go up or down. I mean, dude, let's just flip a fucking coin, right? Bro. I mean, on what time frame? Ask your follow-on for the meta. For 50 people, self-sufficient around 100. I think of livestock and produce plus grain and hopefully some orchard. Yeah. Probably. Okay, so for my Korean homie, brother, Palantir, what? Like what about Palantir? Any chance that it will rise up? Thanks. Got a good garden, grow my own strawberries. You do need 20 minutes. You also got to have 20 minimum. You also have buildings for people to live in. He said 50 people. Yeah, I want to do like kind of like a David Koresh kind of thing in the future. Do you guys know who David Koresh is in Waco? I kind of want to do the fucking like the cult thing, but not like a real cult, but just like a collective of people. Go trade crude oil, pass. Yeah, see, look, we're down on all these positions right now. I bought 141 at what? Oh, I heard 20 people. Yeah, I started at 20, then I went to 50. 100 acres. You know what I mean? That's kind of what I want, bro. I kind of looking for like a David Koresh kind of like, now we're dropping. Everything's dropping. I didn't do a stop loss on everything. I would join. Thank you, Blunder. Nah, I'm trying to do like a ratio of like 6-to-1 for like ratios, right? I kind of want like a harem king situation. No, I'm just fucking with you guys. Says pass like a. Did you just say J? Bro, don't tell me your name is fucking JJ. Bro, all right, man. Here we go. Let's see what JJ's up to. And then this is the fucking guy who calls me a fag. Come on, bro. Like, get real, man. Get real. What is this? What are you shilling me, bro? Like, this is the guy who just called me a fag for not trading oil. What is this? What is this screenshot? Sold my... Bro, what? You can't win them all. Easy money. Hey, brother, you can't win them all, man. You can't win them all, JJ. Sub for sub. Yeah, man. Let's go get this guy some subs, guys. Oh, that's my guy. That's my guy, JJ. You know, JJ taught me how to trade. We did it in the back of a Hellcat for the first time. It was my first kiss. Can you please show me how to use the AI, please? Yeah, guys, Tradealgo's AI is crazy. Currently building a house in Spencer, Tennessee. I'm around 30 acres. Yeah, you are handsome, JJ. You are a handsome guy, JJ. What a weird generation of stunted men. Please tell, are you talking about me? Bro, I'm 6'6". What are you guys talking about? I'm literally 6'6". No, I'm not 6'6". Okay, so how does Tradealgo's data work? Guys, Forget about AI for a second. That's kind of how I want to introduce TradeAlgo to you. Forget about AI for a second, and we got to think about data. What's happening in the stock market right now, and how can we track all of the data in the stock market? Or get a job. Thank you, JJ. Okay. Hi, how to comments here. I live in Nashville too. Sick, bro. I'm not in Nashville. I'm in New York. Okay, look. Okay, so guys, forget all about. What were we talking about? Forget all about what? Forget all about the AI. Okay? What's happening in the stock market? Why do stocks move? Well, a lot of reasons stocks move isn't necessarily the reasons that you think. There's really 5 factors of like convergence, you could say, that go into a stock moving. So the first one is you have to follow the big money transactions. That's what goes into a stock moving. The second thing that you have to follow is you have to follow options flow. The third thing, and I know it sounds gimmicky, but it's part of the psychology and part of the algorithm, you have to understand what insiders on companies are doing and what Congress people are doing, right? I hate to bring the Nancy Pelosi argument into this. But these congressional trades are absolutely worth the data to follow them. Okay, so let's go through the 5 convergence factors. There's going to be smart money transactions, aka dark pools. I don't like to say dark pools because it kind of adds like a mythos to this. But we're going to say smart money transactions, aka dark pool transactions, which are institutional trades hidden from the public eye. Second one is we have the massive amount of options flow that happens. The third one is congressional buys. Then we have insider buys, which are CEOs and board members of companies buying stocks. And then the fifth one is bro, I don't remember. I actually don't remember, but it doesn't matter. What the third one is being able to scan through all the data. So what does TradeAlgo do? TradeAlgo is a data company. They specialize in real-time data in the stock market, which is very expensive, right? I invite you to go and try, because I've tried it. I have tried to build my own AI, and all roads lead back to TradeAlgo. I've tried to go and build my own, but the problem always comes down to the same thing. Real-time data is so freaking expensive that it makes no sense for me to try to go in and buy my own data. Yo, JJ has like warrants, bro. Yeah, you don't need to track. Yeah, guys, just listen to. So this is. I want you guys to understand. These are the guys that stay in my stream and swear I'm a bad trader, but they just stay in my stream and they say that data isn't important in trading. Yeah, brother. Yeah, I'm sure that like the Money Methods LLC trading strategy is genius, and I bet it's so much better than the $2 million data feed that TradeAlgo built. You know what I mean, JJ? Yeah, go. That's perfectly fine, brother. You got it. The Cash App trading. The Cash App trading is phenomenal, right? MetaTrader 5. Bro drives a Lexus. Gapper chopped up and sold. How do you set my stop loss? Oh, you are so mad, whale. Yeah, I mean, you could call me a whale compared to your trading. Anyway, it doesn't even matter, bro. Look, I didn't mean to step on Get Money LLC. Trade in JJ Trade J. Yeah, he's got a Lexus, man. He's got a Lexus. It's fire. It's probably faster than my Porsche. It doesn't even fucking matter. I'm not gonna do this. Okay, look, man. So what are we going through? We're going through data. That's what TradeAlgo does. It's a data vendor, bro. Show me, please. So how do I use it? I mean, this is like the portal for my use, but there's a million other AIs you can use. How you doing tonight, Big Shot? Yo, what up? I know everything FX. How you feeling, bro? How you feeling? Good to have you back, man. Get Money LLC, aka JJ, is under indictment for fraud charges. Hey, don't. You're gonna get cooked, bro. Use your big boy words. No, come on, JJ. Why don't you call me? Why don't you call me on stream? I'll platform you right now, bro. If you're like a grown trader, I'll platform you and you could tell me how bad my strategy is. Stop loss. Are you gonna hold through earnings? It's crazy. I don't even sell a trading course. You know what I mean? You're attacking the wrong guy, bro. The enemy is in front of us. It's the institutions. Yeah, stop loss. I'm not doing a stop loss on any of these trades that I have right now. I'm literally gambling for earnings. Yeah, I'm holding through earnings on all of them. I only put $5 grand on it. This is, I guess, the profit I made last week. Last stream, start to back again. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. Yeah, okay. Anyway, so this is like the portal. Tradealgo has a free side of it. I'm not necessarily a big pusher on the free side. However, you can do a lot of damage, and I know guys who make thousands of dollars using Tradealgo's free tool. Reports saying they removed more scam ads than ever, but however, scams are also higher than they've ever been. No, I don't have 10K. I'm lost. I lost it on a pump and dump. Damn, Blunder. Hi, what's my name? You said, JJ, I don't got 10K to my name? Hey, brother. Yeah, I also don't have a Lexus, and I also, yeah, I don't have an LLC called Get Money Incorporated. Yeah, no, JJ, you're right. Yeah. You wanna like expose me, bro. You got it. All right, JJ, I gotta lock in. You can't make me laugh right now. Okay. So when I prompt this language model, and you guys have to get the idea of ChatGPT trading out of your head. This is just basically a portal into Tradealgo's data. Right, so they're reading hundreds of millions of data points. I literally think that's what it is, hundreds of millions of data points. And when I query this language model that scans through these data points, I have to be decently specific, bro. Yeah, JJ, do you want to like teach me? Would you like to teach me, JJ? And then you can like shill us your little thing. If you want to teach me, brother, you can. I would let you up if you'd like to call me, and I'd put you on my stream, and you could teach me. You could teach me, bro. Yesterday, hold on, I'm gonna show me how to plug the numbers in. Msft, it sounds like you've never traded before, and this is not a strategy for a beginner, right? This is not. My strategy is for somebody that has over 100,000. But what I will say is it doesn't mean, hey, don't tune out, right? Bro, buy stocks. Just buy the S&P 500, buy Google. If you have a small capital size, you're asking the wrong questions. Hey, how do I turn $50 into $1,000 is the wrong question. Hey, $50 a week, what should I do? You would take $50 a week and put it into companies that you believe in. Throw 5K in crude? Okay. I'll throw 5K in crude for you, bro. JJ wants to show you his little thing. Yeah, does JJ want to hop on and show us his little JJ? Does JJ want to show us his little JJ? And you know what's so funny about JJ's name is, bro, like, imagine you're spelling JJ and you rip. This is the fucking thought process you go. just like double down on two different ways to spell JJ. Here's this guy debating people that have enough brain cells to see that he's a fraud again. Yeah, Lemon. That's exactly what's happening. I'm just lying right now. Lemon, I'm lying. 500K in my trading account. Fuck yeah. We all do. We all have 500K in our trading account here at Get Money LLC, and it's all fake, right? It's all just fake. JJ told me the 500K is on Fortnite though. Yo, can you guys break down what JJ said on his last call and then what Lemonwell said on the last call? Because these are two dudes who taught me how to trade. These are the guys who taught me how to trade. So JJ says, let's do a crude oil trade. Should I listen to him? And I'm going to say, by the way, he owns Get Money LLC, unlimited profit trading. Yes, of course it is fake. Show your actual trade history to prove the haters wrong. Yeah, brother, no, I won't do that because I want the haters to have a leg up on me. I would never, like, yeah, bro, it's all fake anyway. Why would I show you a fake profit and loss? Lemon, it's just like I'm just lying. It's so funny, JJ. You're calling me a hater, but like, man, I don't like doing this. I mean, is it okay if I love beefing with the chat. It's like my favorite thing ever. But this is like the mindset here. You know what I mean? He goes, God, I'm such a hater. Like, brother, you started hating first, bro. I'm just reflecting. USO, if you're gonna do crude oil, better be a short. Puts on USO. JJ admitted to the New Delhi hard charges when we spoke. OMG, I'm like 30-0 against this guy. Yeah, you are, Lemino. You got, brother. If it was physical, I would have a broken nose and a fractured orbital, and I'd be on the ground gasping for air. That's how bad you got me, man. Lemon. Like that, I'm new. Someone just came in. Wow, I see why y'all were saying I was a scammer. Oh, no. Okay, no, JJ, it's not you. Dude, there's like infinity JJs in my stream, and they're really cool or they're just fucking crazy. But no, Lemon, yeah, you got me, bro. You got it. OMG, I'm like 30-0 against this guy. Like, yeah, you're 60-0. Okay, so is JJ smart? You mentioned he owns Get Money LLC, unlimited profit trading. It's telling me a few things. The brand is hyper promotional. Yeah, it has zero correlation with actual edge risk management. Yo, JJ, can you explain this, bro? Why is this saying Get Money Unlimited Profit Trading LLC is not valid, bro? JJ, why is it saying this, man? Why is it telling me not to use your trades, bro? Hating, telling you you're shit at trading. 100-0, yeah. Okay. JJ, the New Delhi fraud charges when we spoke. Yo, what was the last meeting with these guys about, man? I'm starting Mo Money, Mo Money LLC. Please, can you show me how to trade $50? No, I won't, actually. I won't show you how to trade $50. You gotta, like, let me tell you guys something. I'm not even, like, I'm not gonna do this again, but if you guys have $50, you guys dead ass need to go to a mentor that looks like this. I'm not even kidding, bro. I'm not, like, genuinely, I am not your guy. This is your guy. If you're trying to start trading with $50, just, like, seriously, this is your guy to go and, like, he will tell you that you can make a profit with 50. Me, I'm gonna be like, brother, go to Toys R Us and get a fucking Hot Wheels track with $50. I will not tell you to start trading with 50. Jay, like, he is your guy. I am not your guy for $50 trading strategies. So hit JJ up. He will help you. I just can't. I couldn't bring myself to lie to you. But to do without clarifying that it's no financial advice, yeah, 1,000%. Mo Money LLC Incorporated. I'm up 22 on the day, and you're at what? I'm literally less. I'm not making $22,000 today, JJ. Yes, yeah. You got me, brother. You ready for Fed meeting at 2 p.m.? You both look alike to me. I'm your guy, up 20. Yeah. JJ's up $23,000 today. Yeah, that's why bro pushes Alexis. I normally like Hey Jay. Okay, I like Hey Jay. Ex-drug dealers make the best traders. Yeah, bro, if you guys got $50, go to JJ, bro. You ride around in a Lexus and fucking trade all you want and make $22,000 a day, and maybe even JJ. I heard that JJ. I heard there was a day you made $200 million in a day. Can you please clarify for the chat that that's what happened? I heard there was a day that JJ made a $30 million trade. Hey, Ezzy, you never know, bro. No, I heard he was. I heard Yes, take your advice from the guy that has enough grease in his hair to fry some chicken nuggets. Hey, brother, I've got more than enough grease in my hair to fry chicken nuggets. Let's be real. You could fry a fucking steak on my shit. I finally made... I think I'm going to try that name out. There was a black JJ that was showing. Bro, that's why he says JJ this way. ZMB. Dude, I love anyone. I love the JJs, bro. JJ is like, yeah, fucking the like power to JJ. Like, hail JJ. You know what I mean? Yeah. Imagine trying to make fun of a man. Yeah, brother. No, I'm not. Like, I'm actually not, bro. You're a stud, man. You're a stud. And what's crazier, bro, is you'd probably beat my ass. You know what I mean, JJ? I'm giving you this. Like, I handed you the win here. You win, brother. Like, you made more money than me today. You drive a Lexus, and you win, bro. It's like, I mean, you did what we were trying to accomplish when you called me a bad trader. And I admit it. Like, I'm not a good trader. You got me. You win. Lexus is underrated. Yeah, bro. Lexuses are embarrassing. JJ, you're embarrassing too. Man, stop being... Yo, guys. Nah, brother, you got it. You won. JJ wins. JJ, how much you owe on that Lexus? Nah, JJ doesn't owe any money. Lexus owes JJ money. I'm not even kidding. The fact you put all your self-worth in a car is your crazy work. Guys. Dude, stop disrespecting my mentor. Stop disrespecting JJ. Stop. Damn near stoic. Yeah, okay? JJ, and make sure we're spelling JJ. I also drive a Cadillac yesterday. Get off my dick. Yeah, that's my mentor, bro. That's my mentor, bro. Gappers, do you like Lexuses? I'm more of a Porsche guy. I drove a Macan while I was in Vegas, and when I get back, I'm getting a Taycan. JJ's CEO I heard he was. I heard he was. Good. And I heard he was the CEO of Cadillac. I'm not sure, though. I heard JJ was the CEO of Cadillac and Lexus. But I'm not even kidding, guys. Like, if you guys want to, like, if you guys are asking how to trade a $50 account, I'm not your guy, bro. I promise you I'm not. Lexus is reliable. Bro, I got 40 fucking push-ups to do. This is gonna suck. Jeep Cherokee, what year? Toyota makes solid cars. I stepped down as CEO. See, I told you guys, JJ was gonna come around. They always come around. Bro, you should have been a freaking comedian. JJ should have been a comedian. I'm cheap like my Cobalt. Now I'm the CEO of your mom's pussy. Guys, when I tell you that this guy doesn't stop thinking of absolute banger comments to drop, it never runs out. So what are you the guy for? I'm not the guy for, I'm like just the gooner, bro. Like, I just trade using tech, and then hopefully you guys get ideas from this phenomenal technology and this phenomenal data I use. I tell you guys all day, never follow my trades, never take my trading advice. I don't sell a course, I don't sell picks. That's not what I do, bro. I'm a data guy. Gang. Yeah, Squidums and JJ. Trent, he's the guy for the guy. Yeah, exactly. Stephen Davis says, JJ Liebman. Yo. He's calling because he said my mom, and then Professor Oak, I was like, because like Professor Oak saying he's my son, which is crazy. The stream is one big joke. He's both a comedian and a fraud. You could argue he was working both two jobs at once. The comedy and the fraud thing. Oh, bro. Yes, I love it. Thank you, Lemon. Thank you. That's exactly. Can you draw one trend line? Yeah, of course I can draw one trend line. Guys, can I draw one trend line? I'll draw a trend line right here. I'm going to explain to you what rocket boosters are. I'm going to explain to you what rocket boosters are in a stock. Okay, so we're drawing trend lines. Guys, we're doing the thing. We're drawing trend lines. So this is a trend line. JJ, pay attention, bro. You taught me this. This is we call this the trend J line. Okay, so let's break this down, right? We're drawing trend lines on a chart. We're going to get our little pencil out, and then we're going to circle the 2 areas of the chart that look and resemble the most like rocket boosters, okay? The first one is here, JJ. That's going to be our first set of rocket boosters. You see how it goes down, and you see this little thing on the top? It looks like a rocket booster. You have one here, bang, and then you have one here, right? It's a booster. This is the fire coming out of it, and these are the housers of the booster, okay? The next rocket booster we see is where? Right here, guys. I know it might not look like it, but if we zoom in, this is a rocket booster. That's what a rocket booster looks like. Okay, now let's get into the line drawing. Where does the stock go once we have confirmed 2 different rocket boosters? And again, this is something I learned from JJ. I didn't learn this from me. This isn't my trading strategy. This is what you'll learn when you purchase Lexus LLC Get Money trading advice. Once we have confirmed both rocket boosters, this thing rips, okay? It goes from here. Oh, actually, we'll go back because I need to draw this a little bit better. So once we have confirmed both rocket boosters, what happens? The stock, JJ, it goes up. So what happens, right? We've confirmed 2 rocket boosters, and then what happened to the stock? It goes up. And once the rocket booster finishes, right? Once the rocket booster comes to fruition, that's when the trade goes back down. So you asked me to draw a trend line on a chart, brother, I got you. By the way, guys, I do sell a course on trading for $333,000. The only way you guys can buy it is if you are a 33-degree Freemason and you have a selfie with Nancy Pelosi. Bro's calling me an idiot. What do you mean? I learned this from you, big dog. I learned this from you, bro. 11 is my other account. I'm just having fun spamming these browsers. Oh, dope. Inverse rocket booster, the JJ line. Yo, is that not valid? What's with this dude in dicks? You tell me, bro. You changed my life on that beautiful Florida evening. Damn, I'm the only one who could buy your course then. Are you a 33-degree Mason? Yo, Farty, what's up, Rangers? Gotcha. But yeah, no, you guys want me to be technical? I'll be technical. Like, I will, but I don't need to be technical because I have the best data and the best AI. Could you imagine, like, genuinely trying to, like, beef with me about trading, bro? Like, dude, I would feel so bad. Like, yeah. He has a, yeah, JJ, you got it. You got me, brother. You win. You're right. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh man, I'm actually serious about this trading shit, bro. I swear I'm serious, JJ. Like, please don't kick me out. Like, let me still ride in the Lexus, bro. Please, bro. I'm serious. I'll actually be serious, bro. I swear I'll be serious, JJ. You like, bro. I will dead ass. Like, I would die for this shit, bro. Seriously, you gotta just like, please just forgive me and like teach me the right way. Yo, Polly, do I have a website? I'm 33 DEG. I'm a 33 degree and I have a selfie with your mom, Nancy Pelosi. Yeah, brother. Yeah. Thank you. I told you guys. JJ's starting to come around though. I don't think he's a bad guy. I think JJ just was confused. He was scared. He didn't know what was going on. We got a lot of earnings reports today, and frankly, guys, I think we all should forgive JJ. I think we should welcome him. Okay, can we get some "I forgive you" JJs in the? Actually, instead of that, say JJ, you're welcome here, and we don't care about what you prefer in your sexuality. I'm just kidding, buddy. I'm just fucking with you. 33 degree Mason. Does that mean he's a Satanist? How would you like payment? I want to just ride in the Lexus for a little bit. Do I have a website? Nah, bro. Tradealgo is the website that I show. I mean, eventually, yeah, we're cooking something up with, like, Steve and I are like gonna fucking figure something out to where there's a product you guys can easily engage with and get value from. But there's just like, it's either gonna be a matter of buying data or buying like feeds and setting up data flows for you guys to actually use the tool. But for right now, bro, Tradealgo is free. and it fucking knocks the socks off of any fucking guru I've ever used or worked with in my life. The nice CG paycheck. What is CG? Is that dividends? You could never be seen around me. Are you telling me, bro? What just happened? JJ, I just got your private message. Hold on, bro. What is going on, man? What are you talking about, JJ? Why are you doing this to me? I don't want to expose you, bro, but I'm going to expose you. I'm going to expose you. I'm sorry, bro, but I've got to pull the Venmo transaction up that you just sent me. Yeah. Yeah. JJ they're trying to get this dude to call me on IG because he's hating. So I was like, bro, you could call me on IG. Well, no, look at this. Look at this. Hold up. So we can you're gonna see in a second. He sent me 500 on Venmo. Yeah. Look, I'm gonna show. I'm pulling the screenshot right now. JJ sent me 500 on Venmo. And he's supposedly my number one hater. Yeah, I mean, yeah and no, JJ. Like, I'll fuck with you, bro, but like, you can't be talking about people about this. So JJ did pay me 500. He said, "I love you, and I will never forget our night in Paris." I don't know, bro. Thank you, man. But please don't talk about that again. Just helping the homeless. Yeah, thank you, brother. I did. I'll be honest. I will never forget that night in Paris as well. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Oh man, I would never stop streaming, bro. I proved it. You guys didn't see the picture? He said, "I love you, and I will never forget our night in Paris." I love you, and I will never forget our night in Paris. I love you too, man, honestly. No. Said $4.95 back, nah. I'm keeping it, bro. I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it. I don't know what to tell you. If you really have a Lexus, you would have said 5K. Yeah, bro. If you really drove a Jeep Cherokee, you would have sent me 500,000. He said something back. No, I'm not sending shit back. I'm keeping it. I like I said, bro. This is part of the scam. Like you guys send me 500 and I keep it. The fuck? Yeah, facts. Alexis owner sends 5K, not 500. Now he's homeless. Well, now I can eat today. Yo, do you want to talk about the Paris thing, bro? Because I'll bring it up. Lexus renters send 500. God. What happened? JJ sent me 500. 500 is Jeep Cherokee money. Yo, South African, what's up, my guy? How you feeling, bro? Good to see you again, man. Always a pleasure to have you stop by for a little bit. I mean, it's not like a lot's happening right now, bro. I've got 4 earnings report trades. How many milkshakes is that 500 getting me? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, JJ. Now you're crashing. I got love for all Puerto Rican women. They can rob my heart. Okay, great, South African. What about South African women? Talk about it. I was drunk. I don't care. There you go. Yeah, see, that's my dog. What's today's topic? Yeah, facts, bro. All right. Yeah, I mean, it's not like much is happening right now. I mean, maybe the earnings are getting priced in, so the stock's going down. But yeah, no, I'm losing on a majority of all these, which is normal. What is your timing, bro? Yeah, dude, I don't know. Look, man, we've kind of gone up traded. Yeah, I got 4 earnings from 4 trades. I'm not gonna sell these. Like I said, man, you don't use Tradealgo to gamble like I'm using it right now. But let's just play ball and have fun. It's $5,000. I made $5,000 last week. No, he didn't ask me for anything. He just gray day. It's cool, bro. Yeah, it's kind of a gray day. It's kind of a great day. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna wrap here. I'm gonna go get a Jimmy John's bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. And figure out how to stream horizontal format because I feel like I'm cutting you guys off of the dope shit that I could be showing with a vertical stream. So I think the days of vertical stream are gonna come to an end where you can still watch it vertical, like via like YouTube, like it's gonna let you still watch it on vertical. But I think, guys, yeah, the days of like the virality aspect of the trades, like the stream is like we're gonna start to get a little bit more serious. What's Tradealgo's reasoning behind the meta calls? Just earnings report. Meta swing is too much for my liking. All of them are calls. So the justification it says here. Here we go. Where's my earnings? Microsoft, 1 week out of the money. If Microsoft rips hard, well, you got to think about what I said, bro. I didn't really ask for like good stuff. I said, give me trades that gave 5x. So, Steven, honestly, the justification that TradeGPT gave me, if it gives me no justification, is like it just says, yeah, these could go up 5x. I've got to kind of accept it because I was very sloppy with the way I put this prompt in. About to start driving glove. Hey, Inconspicuous, thank you, bro. Buy crude? Like what? Options on crude? What are you talking about, bro? Give me the exact play, please. Give me the exact play, my boy. Kajumi Trades has joined. What's up, Kajumi? Kujami? Any comment on FOMC? Not really, bro. I mean, what do you like? Good call though. Any comment on FOMC? What does Polymark say will happen on FOMC? Rates go up or down? Great, Steven. Yes, thank you. Are you sending me this stuff prior, dude? Yeah, that's a genius idea. Okay, I do need to pee really quick. And then I'm going to go do a line with JJ off his title of his Lexus that he paid $500K for. And I'll be right back. No, I'm just kidding. But I do really have to pee. Let's check out Fed. Let's check out Polymarket when I get back. And then we'll probably wrap stream up in 30 minutes. So I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm back. My bad. Polymarket. JJ think I'm filming. Nah. What's good? What's good, guys? My bad. I definitely had to go take a leak. Don't forget to wash your hands. I actually didn't. Deadass. I only went pee though, and it's an automatic flush. So do I really need to? Like genuinely? I didn't wash my hands. I just ripped a sliz and then I fucking left. Personal spending, previous FMR slightly stalled or slightly reversed. What Fed is likely to do today? Very high probability, no rate change. That was a quick. Yeah, it was quick. It was quick, gappers. Draw the main vein. Oh man. Yeah, exactly. All right, man. I mean, if we're gonna get into analyzation mode, let me hit my vape, so I can actually like lock in and like have a serious conversation. Right? You know, the millennials, we can't do anything without our vapes. Give me a second. Sometimes I get worried that Carlos is going to see me like ripping a vape or something on stream. But it's like, is it really that bad of a thing, bro? Like, I don't think vaping on stream is really that bad. Everyone's short gold. No, JJ, I want to know the actual crude oil play, bro. Do I have to trade futures to do that? Because I don't trade futures. There was no rate hike. We aren't in stagnation. If there was no rate hike, aren't we in stagnation? Yeah, technically, yes. Nani Benny. We are. Technically, yes. Actually, yo, Steven, check your Telegram. This the camera angle you wanted. 2,300 gold, shorting gold in 2 minutes. Good. Fuck yeah, bro. Fuck yeah. Damn, I should have played ball. All right, man. Look, what's the play here? I really need to create a script bot with the TradeGPT API to like give me things to say on stream. Yeah, futures. Damn, I don't trade futures, bro. I don't trade futures. I love the idea of trading commodities, though. I don't do futures. I only trade options. I mean, futures are really fire. When I first started and I had less than $25,000 in a trading account, bro, futures, if I was going to start getting aggressive, I would have traded futures. But at the same time, bro, I didn't develop the gambler's mindset until I had over 6 figures in the market. Until I had 6 figures sitting in a holding portfolio, I didn't really have the itch to trade options. And then I went a year and traded options and absolutely crushed it with this tech. And now I'm like worse off mentality-wise, like trading mentality-wise than ever. Just not really my thing, bro. Not really my thing, JJ. But that's like kind of the explanation. If I was getting started again and I wanted to get aggressive with trading options, I would, or not like short-term trading, I'd for sure do futures, right? You don't need 25,000. There's no PDT rule. It's sick. It's fucking sick. But it kind of just the way that life lined up. I just never was trading futures. I just don't know the fuck about all of it. You can, bro, if you have a Webull, you can trade futures on Webull. I just don't do it. I'm pretty sure you can. It's just your balance of your thing. You also have future options. I mean, bro, okay, let's try a futures prompt. Fuck it. It's data. It's the same data, right? You think swing on options? No. I'm either day trading. I'll do some swings, right? Brother, what about 2 p.m.? Yeah, brother, we got 2 p.m. coming up. 2 p.m. is going to be a time that happens today. We got the FOMC. PDT roll ends June. Volume should pick up. Yeah, that's going to be a bloodbath, guys. I'm telling you right now, that PDT roll, everyone thinks it's fucking sunshine and rainbows. That is going to be a bloodbath, bro. You're going to have dudes fucking blowing accounts on Robinhood like nobody's business. When that PDT rule lifts, it's going to be liquidity, bro. Just liquidity. Right? Yeah, that's when the lead loaders come out. And that's when, like, fucking Professor Oak starts to trade. Nah, not Professor Oak. That's like when these guys... Yeah, bro, it's going to wipe people out. They're acting like it's a celebration, bro. I see the blood in the water from a mile away. You bet your ass I'm going to be trading the big three when that rule drops. Brother, I am going to be collecting liquidity. XRP, am I into crypto? XRP is like cool and shit, but it's just not really, like, I kind of lost faith in basically every crypto project except for Bitcoin, and I got one more in my bag. Gonna be a liquidity blast off. Yeah, no, gappers. It's gonna be Christmas. They're gonna that shit'll be crazy. Let me show you guys something. No, bro. It's going to be awesome when that rule gets lifted. It's gonna be really bad. But that's why, like, bro, if you're going into that game with $2,000, you've got to use TA, bro. You've got to use this tech. Yo, thank you, Blunder, bro, for 1,000 joules. How much money is that? Is that $1,000? Fuck yeah, they're creating liquidity. Why else would they change it? Yo, dude, it's like, no, that's literally it's the dawn of the ultimate slaughter, bro. People have no idea. It's gonna get grimy, and I'm enjoying the market as it is. The trophies for JJ. Oh, damn. Okay. You guys remember that line yesterday when somebody asked me if I was a Republican or a Democrat, and I said I don't play Dungeons and Dragons anymore? I used that on a date last night. This chick goes, what do you think of, like, the bombings in, like, Gaza and shit? She was Jewish, and she was like, well, like, what's your opinion on, like, Gaza? And she's like, do you know what's actually happening? And I was like, no, I haven't played Black Ops 7. I literally was like, no, I haven't played Black Ops 7. And she was like, what? And I was like, yeah, I stopped playing games like that. All I play are, like, extraction shooters, like Arc Raiders, and they don't have those character classes. And she was like, huh? And I was like, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, let me get another ranch water, please. Trading view, yeah. But, like, dude, like, it was really funny. It was really funny. She didn't think it was that funny. I don't think I'll see her again, but it was really fucking funny. Okay, let's check Polymarket on FOMC shit. And then we'll go. We'll end. Polymarket's API was better, bro. It would be so fucking sick. If I could have a bot trading Polymarket, it'd be sick. FOMC. Goat move. What's going on, man? How come nothing's loading? Fed decision in April. We've got. Well, now it's been decided. No change. Yeah, so there was no change, bro. If I'm reading this correctly. Rates are on fire. What's the number one guy on Polymarket trading? What's JJ trading on Polymarket? Fed decision in June. Fed decision in July. Will Powell say during April press conference? Good afternoon. Okay, yeah. Inflation 40 times, bro. Should we bet on this? Actually, I can't even use that word on stream. On GTA. I'm going to bet on GTA YouTube algorithm. My Ninja Trade account had an open trade. I forgot to open free 980 on BTC. Let's go, bro. That's probably arguably one of the best feelings in the world. Taking a trade you forgot about. Damn, so they're not doing anything. Yeah. Well, it makes me happy because that means I'm not as shit out of luck on my on my trades. Without movement, I mean, all it does is make me... Like, it's just a lot of fluctuation, bro. These are all dropping. I'm losing money on all these, but I told you guys this would happen. We're not going to know anything until tomorrow, but we will see. You guys will see my trades tomorrow morning. And we're going to see what happens, bro. Advice on trading with a small bankroll like 2K? Nah, not going to give any advice there. I would say don't trade. I would say invest your $2,000 into stocks and let it slowly grow and then continuously invest, right? 2K isn't your start and finish line, right? Your $2,000 isn't your start and finish. $2,000 is your start, and I would try to get $2,000 a month into a brokerage account, right? Holding on to the S&P 500. JJ just checked his garage and he had a Hellcat he forgot about that was worth $500,000. All right, boys. I'm going to knock these push-ups out. What is it, 50? Is that what we got, man? 50? 50 PUs? Bro, this is going to be trash. I'm sore from yesterday's. Like, I can feel it, bro, in my chest. JJ, you know what rapper you kind of remind me of is Stitches. You know who Stitches is? You for sure know who Stitches is. This dude. JJ kind of reminds me of this guy. Yeah, a little rough around the edges. But very smart. Like, this guy's fucking really smart. And I think he's a Freemason. But this guy, JJ kind of reminds me of this guy. This guy's for sure involved in some sort of financial racket. You kind of remind me of this guy, dude. Real shit. On some funny shit. Thank you for advice. Yeah, I got you, bro. 25K a year is good supplemental income. Oh, yeah. No, yeah, NVDA made $30 million on Dogecoin. Yes, you remember Stitches? You remember Stitches, bro? He was beefing with the game. Miley Cyrus, yeah. He has this one song where he does a knockoff of like Adele. He's like, I wish I snored 1,000 lines. It's really fucking funny. 2K capital, you can easily make $100 a day trading. $100 a day equals 25K a year. Yo, Gappers, bro, what are you talking about, man? What strategy is that? Why wouldn't I just take my 300K and do whatever you're saying? Jelly Rolls, my cousin. Oh, damn. That's crazy. J-Rock from Trailer Park Boys. Oh, man. I fucking love you guys, bro. All right, let's start the wrap up here. All these trades are, in and valid. I don't have stop losses on any of them. What's worst case scenario? Right. We want big tech. We want big tech earnings today, guys. Big tech earnings. Riff Raff. Yeah. Riff Raff. Who's the other dude? Tom McDonald. I'm just saying if someone only has 2K. Push-ups? Yeah, we gotta do push-ups, bro. Yo, your boy JJ said it. Nanya Vinny. JJ, I would be surprised if you rapped. Woodbine, LOL. Damn, you guys from the same town? What is that? Not Boston, it's Tennessee, right? Hold on. All right, bro, let's do push-ups. Let me make sure this shit's in angle, in view. We could drop down a little bit lower. Like maybe I could raise it up. Nah, fuck it. I'll just rip these for as it is. Okay, I'm doing push-ups. What do we got? How many? 52. Okay. Fuck it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, Break at 33. JJ's fucking hilarious, dude. He's like, yeah, I used to fuck her. Say, like, yo, do you know Jerome Powell? Yeah, I used to fucking do lines with that guy. Yeah, that's crazy. You guys are like from the same town or something? Oh, man. All right, guys. I mean, what else? Big 90 said, wouldn't surprise me. That's the town Trish. Hold on. JJ, how long have you been pushing this fucking Lexus, bro? Yeah, shots fired at JC. Yeah, it's a lot of red, bro. It's fine. I told you guys, I placed these trades knowing what we're doing. We're swinging these for tomorrow's earnings. I should have done all of these at 3:30 today. Because... Here's another push-up. No, I already did it, bro. The push-ups are done. Here, I'll do it. What is it? One more? Bang. That's it. That's the push-up. Guys, I mean, what's the play? It's like, we got normal, like, all these are going back up right now. Right, do we wait this out? I've got videos I gotta make for TA. I gotta change my pick now. Why? Lexuses are dope. Ups on Uber stock. Yeah, I've worked my ass off for it. Good shit. Nah, Nani Benny's a hard worker. All right, guys. Yeah. I think that's a wrap. I'm back tomorrow. Every day I'm on live every day at 11 a.m. Eastern. So that was fun, guys. That was actually a lot of fun. The whole stream was fun. We smacked the shit out of Intel puts today, man. Holy fuck. What a fucking rip, dude. Look at the Lexus LC500. Let's see. $112. Damn, this thing is fucking sick, bro. This shit's on my whip. It's a coupe, though. I'm not a big fan of coupes, bro, to be honest. Let me show you guys my shit. I got this in 2023. It's literally this exact car. But the problem is it's low-key slow as fuck. It's super fucking slow, bro. So when I get back, I'm probably going to either do the electric Macan, just because the UI on the inside is, like, insane, or I do the Taycan. LS600 all day. LOL, here we go. Or that one Lexus supercar just randomly from the same place. Know some of the same folks. My Lexus has my up, then the LC500. Is it fast? Is that the reason you guys like those cars? Is because they're fast? Are they fast cars?
If it's fast, use speed. Sorry, because I don't know, bro. It's just about having control over an object like that. Fast as fuck, boy. A 2013 CRV. Ugly chart to trade on. Yeah, it's 4 charts, Einstein. Mazzizo Elegante. Get real, bro. Fucking Mario. This is my CRV. Great little SUV. A 2013 CRV. Do I prefer top speed or acceleration? Acceleration for sure, bro. Acceleration for sure. Top speed is gay. I mean, what? Like, tell me, like, actually. It's a powerful engine. Not the CRV and its VTEC. Massaging seats. Somewhere like a Rolls Royce backseat. The LS 500, bro. I just looked this up. That was a coupe, bro. Oh, LS. Damn. Yeah, you're right, Steven. This shit does look sick. Yeah, one of my close homies drives a Lexus, and he told me it's like, you drive a Lexus when not only you want like a fucking supercar experience, but you also you're not looking for like the gimmickiness of a super like Eastern European fucking car. So I respect Lexus drivers, bro. So, I mean, it's a very they're very fast, and people who drive them usually know their fucking salt when it comes to cars, brother. So I don't like to talk about things I don't understand, but I do understand that guys who drive Lexuses, they know ball. They know ball. You can grab this shit in twin turbo. How much is this shit? 30. It's not even expensive, bro. Mine is, I got the wine cooler in mine. If you want acceleration over top speed, go electric. Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm getting it. The tech in Lexus is 10 to 15 years. Nah, brother, don't tell me that. Cars are a waste of money. The richest dude in my stream right now just said cars are a waste of money. So that should go to say something. Buy property over cars. What about closed cell spray foam companies, gappers, instead of cars? What if I'm just looking to buy a closed cell spray foam company for insulation? The tech in Lexus is 10 to 15 years. What do you mean, bro? What's the tech in Lexus is? It's 10 to 15. Does it have fucking GPT 11 in it? What if I don't want to buy property? I want to buy closed cell spray foam companies. Like spray foam rigs. That shit's expensive, bro. This rig I'm gonna buy in Vegas. This doesn't even matter. But this one right here, where is it? It's these guys, Sprayworks equipment. This rig right here, bro, is like $100,000. Hold on, I need to find it. But it's a converted trailer, and it's $100,000, bro, for this rig. Yeah, shop spray foam rigs. This one right here, $75K, bro, $75K. It's just so expensive, but you need a rig, bro. You need a rig to do some of these jobs, man. Some dude just hit me up in fucking SoCal, and he's like, yeah, I have basically a casino-sized parking garage, metal building setup. So it's like a massive fucking warehouse. It was an insane. It was like over 100,000 square feet, walls and ceiling. Job was like minimum a $75,000 job for 2 inches of closed cell spray foam. Bro, I couldn't do it. I couldn't accept the job because my fucking sprayer is like on some elementary school shit. Schmexy trades today. Yeah, we got 4 rockin'. Buy vape stores and sell 70H legally. Dude, you're a drug addict. They're a waste. You lose money as soon as you drive it off. It's a big-ass 10-year-old truck. Storage units are good. Yeah, most of my jobs right now have been those 40-foot containers that people are converting into houses. It's super easy to just go in there, spray 2 inches of closed cell spray foam down, and they've got a fucking habitable R value 30. So R value is basically like how good the insulation is, how much air can get through. R value 30 is like primo. You could get R value 30 on a metal container 2 inches with my guy in California for like, I charge $2,000, but the job itself is $1,500, and I take the $500 off the top. Anyway, this isn't a stream about closed cell spray foam. That's kind of my key to wrap this up. Only specific brands are considered property. Does it cash flow? The spray foam, yeah, for sure. But the problem is justifying that level of purchase. I need my own LLC set up for this. I can't do this through my regular LLC that I'm running this channel through. Nah, bro, like that's my other obsession. I love AI and data, and then I love the science behind fucking closed cell spray foam. Those are like my two passions in life, and then obviously God and my family comes first. But what's it like, 200 square feet? Nah, bro, a 40-foot container. A 40-foot container is 730 square feet. If you want the ceiling done, it goes up to 1,030 square feet. Just walls, though, that's what the most popular job is. I get them. These jobs are in and out, two a day you can knock out. You do 1,030 square feet, walls and ceiling of a metal container, and it's the easiest job ever. Installers love it. No, I'm trading. All these are earnings report plays inconspicuous. No. Yeah. So not even. No. It's $4 a square foot. It's a franchisable business. You can collect royalties and advertisement from people using your name. What do you mean, bro? What does that mean? Oh, okay. Yeah. I only calculated the floor. Oh, yeah. Yeah. These are my trades right now. JJ says, start a cleaning company, recruit Hooters girls as cleaners, and get them to fucking blackmail the husband. I missed the start of container comment. What do you do? I dabble in insulation companies and marketing for insulation companies. I'm just trying it out. It's such a beautiful product, though. It's something I can be passionate about. I think closed cell spray foam is genius, bro. I'm not gonna get into like the specifics of why. Well, fuck it, I will. Bro, you can spray closed cell spray foam adds an insane amount of structural integrity to buildings. So I could take a metal shed that I could kick over with a fucking Sparta kick, right? So there's like a metal shed in front of me. If I like kicked a metal shed and it fell over, and then I took that same metal shed that was about to fall over from a kick and I sprayed it with 2 or 3 inches of closed cell spray foam, not only would you have an insanely insulated fucking structure, but you'd have a very structurally sound building. And like to the point where it's like category 4 hurricane level structure. Bro, it's not a fucking, like as soon as I heard these facts, I was like, yeah, I want a piece of this, bro. No, yeah, I'm just that was JJ's idea. I'm gonna guess by your comment you're gonna by pimping out young girls. I was short. Vape vending machines, run down, borrow, charge $30 for vape, $10 for Zins. Yeah, JJ, these are like methods that everyone's heard of, bro. Inconspicuous. If you rewind my stream, I had a nasty trade. I did like an actual trade on what's it called? Fed fuck the market again, bro. There was no change. Monster Marv. There was no change. Yeah, things are dropping right now, but I'm pretty bullish on all these companies for earnings. We're in the middle of the fucking tech boom. Oh no, man, you're having a bro. I remember when I placed these trades, I gave this forewarning. I'm like, yeah, this is gonna fuck with my daily P&L. I was already up for something, and then I placed all these trades. But guys, it's fine. I was just early trading all fucked up. It's not even fucked up. It's not even fucked up. It's good. It's not a Brian Peppers day. It's like a good day. And people are trying to spray foam, insulate roofs because humidity, and you can't see the water damage till it's bad. But you can start it in Vegas. Yeah, you probably could start it in Vegas. Everything's going up right now, guys. Like, we're getting fucking handles. Dude, if I hit all 4 of these, it's going to improve. It's going to take my P&L, like, profit success rate through back to the 70s, bro. Minus 300, you would have thought the world... It's minus 300, and you would have thought the world was ending. Yeah, I know. UK is killing tobacco. If you're in the US, smoke more for the rest of us. Damn, UK is killing tobacco, like all nicotine. That's crazy, bro. When I went to the UK, that was the one thing I noticed is motherfuckers were rolling their own cigarettes. Very popular thing to do. Nashville is a good city to start in. For the vape vending machine shit. I'm green AF on the day. I'm definitely done. Yeah, I guess I'm the last cowboy out here with these earnings trades. How many people in the comments live here in Tennessee? That's a weird demographic. I feel like some of my most active stream participants are from Tennessee. I think 4. No, there probably might be someone else who pops out in here. Who else in the chat is from Tennessee? That's crazy. All right, guys. That's a good. That was a great stream. Chicago here. I'm in Texas, and not everyone. Everyone in my stream is from Tennessee. I do electrical. JJ Hall, if y'all need some work done. JJ wants to put lights on the. He wants to put the star lights on the roof of his Lexus. No smoking if you're born after 2008. Forever. So if you're born after 2008, you could never smoke. Nashville, biggest city for ROI for real estate? Yeah, sure, bro. I was talking to fucking one of the guys who's looking for houses in Nashville. He says all of it's getting gouged. Is your P&L tripping in? No, it's not today. Hey, Sean. Hey, brother. I appreciate the benefit of the doubt, bro. I actually appreciate the benefit of the doubt. What I'm doing right now is I traded all these earlier at like 12. And I'm gearing up. All of these companies are reporting earnings today, so I just said, fuck it, let's play ball. I got stars on the roof. Yeah, it's the riffraff shit. I already have. Yo, JJ, follow me on Instagram, bro. You bought when I did. CA refugees blew up our housing. You bought your house 20. Are you guys serious? Google what? Your Instagram or Nashville #1? Okay, I'm going Google AI mode. What's the best city for ROI real estate? All right, here, I'll do this, bro. I'm going to ask this question. I don't know the answer to this. I don't know the answer to this, but I want to hear your guys' answers before I put this in. And don't look it up. Don't do what I just did. Just type an answer as fast as you can right now. What's the best city for ROI real estate in USA? Should I add a timeline? Fuck it. Dallas, Fort Worth, genius. Dallas, Fort Worth, bro. Come on, bro. And then Detroit. Indianapolis, Charlotte, North Carolina. Hey, bro, I'm looking at this list, and it doesn't look like Nashville's on here at all. Maui after the fire. It's not Nashville. That's what I'm saying, bro. It literally said freaking Dallas and Detroit. What are you guys talking about? What is this shill? The best city for all real estate in the USA is not Nashville, Tennessee. They fucking put Hartford, Connecticut above it. Buffalo, New York. Buffalo, New York, hottest housing market. Dog, who would want to live in Buffalo though, bro? It literally gets like super cold. My Google is different. Oh, I didn't realize JJ also had ownership in Google. He has a custom WebSocket that gives him exactly everything JJ Googles on his. Anytime JJ needs to fact check a fact, his Google's programmed to just tell him he's right. Put 2026. I'm sorry. Yeah, I did. Are you using AI mode? 2026. Toledo, Ohio. Cleveland, Ohio. Detroit, Michigan. Hartford, Connecticut. Syracuse, New York. Rochester, New York. Dallas, Fort Worth. Charlotte, North Carolina. Raleigh, North Carolina. Jacksonville, Florida. JJ's doing research from the back of his Lexus. JJ's Google tells him, he's like, JJ, what are you don't JJ asks the AI, he's like, what's the best city? JJ asks his AI, what's the best city for real estate in 2026? And then JJ's AI goes, JJ, it sounds like you might be doubting the lucrativeness of Nashville, Tennessee. I just want to say you're right to be a little bit skeptical, but because you're here, JJ, it brings the price of the city up tenfold. I'll call the board once. I'll fix this. That bro's funny. That bro is funny. Some of parts of Texas are seeing massive value declines. New construction everywhere. Oh, they're knocking down old crappy houses and building $1 million homes. Damn. Bro, sorry about that. I mean, that sucks. What jobs are in Nashville? Gapper, exactly. NQ moving up. We got motion. That's good for me, right? Everything's moving up. Bro said mediocre barbecue in Nashville. Yo, isn't that like a personal attack if somebody says Nashville has mediocre barbecue? Bro, are you from Texas? Wait a minute. I think this is Texas. I think this is Texas, Shill. I'm in Texas. Yeah, so two Ghostly is from Texas, and he just took a shot at JJ, Gappers, Steven Davis, and Nanya Benny's barbecue. Bro said, yeah. Film music. If you're not making $40 an hour in Nashville, no. Is it mediocre barbecue? JJ's is a vegetarian, I think. We're not a barbecue city. We're a chicken city. Texas does brisket. Tennessee does pulled pork. Oh, man. I don't even know why I'm laughing. It's just, like, funny. Like, thank you for correcting me. Thank you for correcting me, guys. All right, boys. Lit stream, like always. Thank you all. Trading would literally not be fun. It would be so dumb and boring. We're not famous for barbecue. Okay, what is Tennessee famous for? Country music? Toby Keith? Is that where fucking Toby Keith is? Nashville does have good chicken and true, but NC has a badass chicken company called Bojangles. Yeah, Bojangles is good. Also, what about, where's all my Cookout fans at? You guys know about Cookout? Cookout is really good. Cookout's like this little chain restaurant. Cookout's super good, bro. You guys heard of Cookout? Anyone ever heard of Cookout? That's the shit. Yeah, bro. These guys, Cookout. These guys are sick. Country music and Elvis is Tennessee. I fuck with Cookout. Cookout's good, bro. Cookout's good. You know, I'm not really a big fan of the city Denver, but Denver does have really good, like, niche fast food. Some of the best, like, burgers and, like, chicken sandwiches I've ever eaten were in Denver. Good as my jam. Yeah. Looks legit. Cookout tray. Yeah, bro. Oh, yeah. Come on, bro. You get, bro, I've never had their pulled pork, but no, I'd rip, you know, I fucking love. TN and Texas go hand in hand. Tennessee and Texas go hand in hand. Pulled pork and pajamas. Look, okay, is there anything I'm really waiting for on these earnings report plays, right? I've got to wait till 4 until the market closes for these companies to report, and then that's that. It's not like I can really do anything. Burger fully loaded, cheese curds, cookie cream, and shake out is my cookout order. Bro, JJ, how much do you weigh? Burger fully loaded, fries, cheese curds, cookie cream shake is my cookout order. Holy shit. Bro, JJ won't be with us for very much longer. Brother, you better figure out who's getting that fucking... you better figure out who's getting that Lexus, bro. No, I'm just kidding, obviously. We've been friends since Davy Crockett. Remember the Oilers? Yeah, bro. Say your percentage target price before I go. 10%? Should I just, I mean, like, it's earnings, bro. There's no, like, what target price? Genuinely. 6'2", 230. He needs to do hello drugs and make money. He'll be all right. It's so funny that how similar all these companies look on a chart. It's not like major, but like, bro, this shit looks really fucking similar, dude. Girth. 14 pack. Yeah. What is it? What did bro say? He's like, what about 6'2" and thick? He's like, what about, fuck, what was it? He's like, yeah, 8 inches and thick. This is JJ. This is literally JJ.
Oh, yeah? Bodybuilders? Yeah. I like skinny, scrawny guys.
How about multimillionaires? How about 8 inches and thick? How about talented? How about loving and respectful? I lost my wife 10 weeks ago. 21 years faithful. My daughter committed suicide 3 weeks ago. Oh, shit.
Hey, bro, what? Bro went from 8 inches and thick to, like, just trauma dumping. Do you guys remember this video? Minimum 75%, sorry, 50%, 12.5-inch shoe size. In our country, we eat meat for dessert. What country? Bro's in fucking... I keep getting behind the live, what the fuck? Dude, you wear panties at the beach? Yeah, bro. Literally, yeah. That's, yeah. How about 8 inches and thick? How about a Lexus LS 500? How about a burger, loaded fries, cheese curd? Actually, I'm not even looking at the screen. I'm gonna remember bro's order. I'm not looking. JJ goes to Cookout and he gets a burger, loaded fries, cheese curds, and an Oreo milkshake. Burger, fully loaded fries, cheese curds, cookies and cream milkshake. Dog, I told you, if you put me in fast food for one day, I worked one shift at McDonald's, bro, I might fall in love with it.
LS 600. Fuck.
I need to stop.
What up, CW, man? CW, what's how? Hey, CW, you said in 5 minutes these trades are all gonna be in the profit. Is that what you said, CW? I think if I remember correctly, CW, you told me that in 5 minutes all these trades would be in profit. Texas barbecue sauce is thin and spicy to not too overpower the meat. Kansas barbecue sauce is thick and sweet. Tennessee barbecue sauce is thin and tangy. You look like I look like a fast food worker. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Well, I did remember your whole order, bro. You would pull back up to the window, and I'd be like, hey, JJ, you want the usual? And then you'd be like, yeah. And I'd be like, all right. I'd shout to the back. I'd be like, yo, JJ's here. Get that shit out fast. Get it out fast. JJ's here. Get his order out fast. I just got in here, bro. You're supposed to gaslight me right there. C-double. Anyway, guys. Fully loaded fries in the Lexus? Yeah. Whoa, bro. Do you guys think the Lexus smells like a burger, fully loaded fries, cheese curds, and an Oreo milkshake? Like, actually, now that I think about it, what do you think bro's Lexus smells like ripping that order from Cookout? You know, like, actually, bro. You don't order the tray? Oh, I'll fuck with the tray. I'll fuck with the tray, bro. You know what I mean? I don't know if I'm doing, like, the 30-pound tray, but... Nah. No, I don't know really what that means. Oh, yeah, I mean, definitely positive in 30 minutes like a blunt. Nah, JJ's shit probably smells good. I mean, it probably smells like some fucking motion. Ask, Renee's daughter or whoever the fuck you guys were talking about earlier what his Lexus smells like. JC wouldn't get the Lexus. JC, Professor, oh, that's why I love you, bro. Vodiva, 9 to 5, or is this my full-time job? Lexus smells like straight gas, straight cookie kush. Guy just takes too much Adderall. Okay, this is getting pinned. This might be the greatest comment ever. Thank you. All right. Oh, wait. We're not doing the giveaway anymore. But still, brother, this makes the cut. The giveaway for the meanest comment is still going. But you definitely made the wall. So these are all the roasts worth my time. Damn, I deleted a bunch of them. I'm going to start adding this. Okay, so congrats, 8V0. You have made the wall. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you. Guy takes too much Adderall and just argues. No, brother, yeah, all love, bro. Well, you did make the, you did make the wall. So, good job. Professor Oak must be zebra. All love. Show some love then. LOL. Wall of hate. Hey, you made it. You made it onto the wall of hate. There were some decent ones in here, but like anything that comes right off the dome like that is good. Congrats, bro. Yeah, congrats, guys. Congrats. Drop a W for 8_VO. Dubs. How about 8 inches in thick, bro? How about 8 inches in thick? You've been losing profit and pretending to be a trader. Hey, but you know what you said there that did make me feel good? Hey, but I want to point something out. Here's the thing about his comment that actually was very nice. He didn't say I was losing my bankroll. He said I was losing profit. Okay, so that implies that there had to be profit to begin with for me to lose profit there, right? So actually,
Thank you. This wasn't as mean as I thought it was. Bro said only while losing profit. Dog, I'll happily lose profit all day if I'm not touching my bankroll. So, you know what? Thank you. You're a dumb fuck who doesn't know what a wash sale is and doesn't know shit about the market. All you do is copy AI prompts. Yo, inconspicuous. Damn. Oh, you know what a wash sale is and doesn't know about the market. All you do is copy AI prompts and paper trade for attention. I don't know what wash trades are. Yo, inconspicuous. Are you trying to make the wall with that one? Or is that how you feel? The diagonal is his hairline. Yeah, yo, what's up, Joe White? Where's the diagonal? Dude, I'm trading earnings right now. Did I make the wall? Dude, I think you did. I think that is making the wall. You know what, bro? Yeah, you made the wall. You made the wall. Look, it's not time for everyone to be mean, though, bro. Just don't be mean to me, please. Yeah, you did make the wall. Please don't be mean to me, bro. Nokia. What do you think about Nokia stock? Let's go. Put me on the love wall. What did you comment it? There's no love wall. I will put you on a love wall, though, once there is one. I would say that hate is a very strong emotion. Yeah, holding everything. Hey, B Sunny, what's up, big dog? Yo, thank you, Herman. Thank you, bro. That one came out of nowhere, inconspicuous. I'm not even kidding. I was like, holy fuck. That one came out of nowhere. Guys, look, I'd love to just sit here and pretend like I'm trading. Hey, thank you guys for the jewels and shit. Dude lost so much profit just so he can claim he prestige and continue his live streaming grind. Send happy poop. Yo, guys, thank you for the stuff. Thank you for all like the jewels and shit. You're a degenerate like me. I've been here all day. You have, B Sunny? No, you haven't. No, you haven't. Yo, thank you guys. Thank you guys for the jewels and shit. Thank you guys for the jewels. Might be if it went too hard. No, it was fire. It was insane. It just caught me off guard. Send a makeup. Yeah, guys, thank you for all the fucking like little gimmick things. I don't know what that does, but it definitely is cool. So I appreciate the happy poops and the gimmick, like the fucking jewels. And I feel this degenerate connection. Hey, bro. Sometimes you gotta. Yeah, exactly. I would say, arguably, people would either watch me for two reasons: for lost porn, or because like there is, actual value here. I need everyone in the chat to stuff me right now. There is a monthly salary for you and your fam. Well, I don't get any money from that kind of shit. Don't donate real money to me though, bro, please. Like I don't know how to react to that stuff. I have money. I have more than enough. I don't need stream rev, but I have to keep it on for like, I guess like popularity reasons. Like it helps me rank on the stream. Yeah, it just ain't been chatted. Okay, for sure, bro. For sure. Scratch and sniff, guys. Thank you guys, bro. How do I like my eggs scrambled? But like not like bullshit scrambled, like real deal scrambled with a lot of butter. I already sent 500. I do mean with trivia and I stay for the shit talking. Maybe I should do more trivia. Is that what the play is? Should I do more trivia? The trivia was really fun. It just wasn't fair. The trivia just wasn't fair because you're competing against Ping. But no, Nanya Benny, you have made some cheese with trivia. Let me look. These are all the lists of everyone who's made money on my stream. Nanya Benny, where's my guy? Right here. You made 30. Little Nanya Benny, $30. Good luck on these trades. Use your best judgment here. Okay. But my losses, maybe he'll drop to negative because I held a swing over the weekend like a dicktard. Nah, it's all good, bro. It happens. All right, guys. All right, guys. I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 11 a.m. And it's been lit. Always a pleasure. And yeah, go fucking do something productive today. God knows I'm gonna figure something out. When will I execute my next trade? And my next trading cycle's in 10 years. I'll place another trade. No, I'm just kidding. I'll fucking be back at it tomorrow. All right. I don't want to fucking figure out take profits on these, bro. I don't want to do that, man, but I have to. No. I'm doing 50%. Brother, what's up, Bit 2 Ghostly? Hopefully, I think he scores a fat boost. I had a bulletproof strategy before this. I was going to set all my stop losses at break even, but I placed the trade too early, so I couldn't do that. I would have got stopped out. Thank you guys for the pappy poop. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. You guys are the goats, man. Seriously. I am not shit. I'm just an AI chiller. I'm really not a trader, like, actually. The fact that I can come on here and I can get such, like people with actual experience kind of giving me game and helping me out. Like, it's like it pays for itself. So I'll see you tomorrow, 11 a.m. Eastern, right on the dot. Let's see how we did on these earnings trades. And yeah, if you guys want to fuck with me, join the Discord or follow me on Instagram.